In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove blemishes in Luminar Neo. Let's dive right into the process and make your photos look their best. First, open Luminar Neo and load the photo you want to work on. Make sure it's the one where you want to remove blemishes. This is the foundation of our work today, so take a moment to ensure you have the correct image loaded. Once that's done, you'll be ready to start making improvements. Next, go to the Edit tab. You'll find this is where all the magic happens. The Edit tab houses all the powerful tools that Luminar Neo offers. It's important to familiarize yourself with this space, as it's where you'll spend most of your time enhancing photos. From there, select the Face AI tool. Sometimes it's called Portrait AI. This tool is specifically designed for portrait editing. It uses advanced artificial intelligence to help you enhance facial features. By choosing this tool, you're tapping into one of Luminar Neo's most powerful capabilities. Now, look for the Skin Defects Removal option. This feature is crucial for our task. It specifically targets blemishes and imperfections on the skin. Using this tool helps to create a smoother, more polished look to your portraits. Once you've found it, you're ready to take action. Go ahead and turn on the tool. Just a simple click and you're activating a feature that will significantly enhance your photo. When the tool is on, you'll notice it begins to work immediately on the skin areas. This step is important because it initiates the process of blemish removal. After that, you'll want to adjust the strength or amount slider. Slide it until the blemishes disappear naturally. Be cautious not to overdo it, as too much adjustment can lead to an unnatural look. The goal here is to maintain realism while improving appearance. This careful adjustment ensures your photo looks both polished and authentic. Now zoom in and check those problem areas. Pay close attention to the nose, cheeks, and forehead. These areas often need a bit more focus when it comes to blemish removal. Zooming in allows you to see the details and make sure everything looks just right. It's a small step, but crucial for achieving professional quality results. With that ready, you should see a more refined and enhanced portrait. Remember, these adjustments help highlight the natural beauty of your subject. The skills you've learned today will serve you well in all your photo editing endeavors. Take a moment to save your work, ensuring that all your changes are preserved. This makes sure your hard work is not lost. You've now completed the process of removing blemishes in Luminar Neo. Congratulations on enhancing your skills and taking your photo editing to the next level. With practice, these steps will become second nature, allowing you to create stunning images with ease. Thank you for watching, and happy editing!